All right, so here we have Sandbox symbol SAND versus the dollar, and I believe we called a high on this one or a major top on this one back on over here, not on the actual top, but on probably this one right here in November, late November that is, and ever since then it's just been well down. Now here's the thing: it is in a bearish redistribution pattern right now in the form of a descending triangle, and that would have a technical target. I'm gonna imagine somewhere around your Saturday wick lows. Yeah, actually, pretty much right around there at about $4 to 410 to 415. But that's only actionable or only validated in my book as if you close a 4-hour delta below about 491.5 or 492. Until then, you know, it's probably going to do whatever Bitcoin does. And I would call the reversal on this one above 571. Above 571, even on like an hourly closure, I would be looking for a short-term continuation all the way up to a 620, very likely a short-term pullback there, and then continuation back up to your prior range highs, which is in the upper low $7 region over time. But for right now, this one is under pressure. It is showing more bearish things, certainly. Daily. Yeah, daily, not super hot right there, but I wouldn't say it's like the worst thing of all time. Obviously, this one can afford a pullback when it went to the moon and beyond, but that's the problem. You went to the moon and beyond, not really spending any time consolidating on the way up. So that is the problem. It's fun on the way up, terrifying on the way down, and yeah, right now this one is certainly under pressure. So just be aware of where the invalidation is. Again, above, what was it, 571.5. Until that level's hit, this one is risky, I do suspect. But we do see some altcoins pulling through, so you know that would be a little bit of hoping right there. Maybe we just go briefly check out momentum oscillators just to see, although I don't trust them too much in a situation like this, just because, you know, trend does take over in these situations. Obviously, 4-hour is nosediving below 532, so that's not great. Bi-hourly is gonna freshly turn down below 528. Also not good. Hourly is also down below 536, and daily is down as long as it's below $6. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say this one's a little more likely to go to the downside than not. Still would want to see confirmation of that one. It does look like short term it wants to test back down at minimum somewhere around about $5 low. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Sandbox, sir.